Hi guys, this is Maggie. I'm the founder of Maid Easy. Maid Easy started in May 2011. We want to provide a high-quality cleaning service that we could be proud of in our own home. Client satisfaction is our highest priority, so things like quality, finishing, touching are very important to us. Our emphasis at Maid Easy is providing a service dedicated to improving our customer quality life. For us, quality of life means being able to spend more time with family, friends, and enjoying life. With this in mind, we set out to create a great service that we could give people back more control of their time. Also, have fun, excellent place for our team to work. So Maid Easy was born. The reason for us as so good is we emphasize training and support. We provide personal on-site training and on regular basis, as well as an operation team at head office that's managing performance and quality assurance daily. All teams have an on-site team leader and a wealth of cleaning experience. We emphasize quality over quantity, and our primary objective is clients' satisfaction. We are specialists on like builders clean, construction clean, end of the tendency clean, spring clean, window clean, house wash, water plastering, carpet steam clean, and weekly, fortnightly, ongoing clean. That's all kind of service our company does. Guaranteed income depends on your level of investment. High level of support and training, an operation team who handle all clients' communication, quality insurance, and administration. All you need to worry about is doing the clean. Also, you are investing in established company with clients provided to you. Plenty of job will be given to ensure you are giving every opportunity to earn as much as you want. Excellent opportunity for new migrants. Franchisees are fully supported by our head office. Things like there is no selling, no invoicing, no cash payment. Maid Easy does all that for you. And also you will be paid weekly for the contracts you have performed. This is a really good opportunity to upskill and increase your experience. Our emphasis is in clients' satisfaction and provide the best quality service with human touch. We are fully insured. We pride ourselves on our excellent communication and attention to clients' needs, and also high client retention with a personal relationship between clients and franchisee owners. As each of our customers, every clean service is unique. Your Maid Easy house service is completely customized to meet your needs, and whether you need weekly, also fortnightly, and end of a tendency clean, we will match your service to your priority and budget. The new franchisee always can apply it online or visit our website, or even email us or give us a call to arrange time to find out more information.